with all your measurements.
Okay.
For instance, if you couldn't spin this to see what spring it was, that number right there.
262.
You would go on here, look for 262.
Oh, I see.
And
so
it should sit right in these edges.
It sits right in the grooves.
Yep.
So that's how you know exactly what spring to get.
There. Yep.
So now we know what we need, right?
Yes, sir. And then here, you see that it won't match. This is where it gets tricky. You have to keep.
Oh, so this one's a little bit different on this side. So these are two separate springs that we put on here, right?
Yes, to match the exact weight of the door.
Yeah.
To be able to balance it out.
So this one might be a little bit different then.
Yes.
And so, what do you think?
Well, it wasn't a matching spring. It's not bigger, so I was thinking lower.
It's interesting. Why do you think he put a different spring on this side?
That's how like the IPPT goes for like the weight and measurements of the size of the door and everything.
IPPT, what's that mean?
It's inch per pound.
Inch per pound.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pound turn.
So you're looking to see which one?
Mm-hmm. Trying to be closest to it.
All right, cool.
Boom.
Got it. Which one is that?
250.
So we get
262 and a 250.
So 250 on the right side, 262 on the left. Bam, we got it. All right. Damn it, I'm gonna go work with you. The next job. Oh, you got to measure it too.
41. 41 also.
So these are 41 inches across, both sides.
Both sides. And
yeah. Even that one's broke.
2 inch diameters.
And so this shaft is a 2-inch shaft?
No. That shaft is about like an inch and a quarter.
Inch and a quarter. Yeah. Okay. All right.
And this is 2. And
I see.
The spring inside the spring diameter is 2 inch.
Okay, so the spring diameter is
Yes.
2 inches. Okay, cool. Got it.